Welcome back to Engine Maths. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website directly. Thank you. This is the second part of how to make a rechargeable lantern, that is the circuit simulation. As you have seen it, on the circuit we have two parts. The first one is the LED array part. We have 5 light emitting diodes all connected in parallel, then later connected in series to a 4.7 ohm resistor. The next part is the Variwatt. Variwatt is usually found in most of the electronics that are used to charge. The advantage of Variwatt is to control the charging of the battery and not to allow current to go back to the source. On our Variwatt, you will see that we have an indicator LED, which is a light emitting diode connected in series to a resistor, which is 220 ohm. All of them connected in parallel to our voltage source, which is 220 volt. Then all of them are later connected in series to a diode, which is 1N4007. Going back to our circuit, you see that we have a switch. A switch is used to on or off the LED array. It has two nodes, which is the positive and the negative terminal that will be connected in the circuit. The next part in the circuit is our battery. Our battery is 3 volt, which is later connected to an AD to make our circuit live. After you have now known the circuits, we have to connect all our LED arrays to a switch and later to a battery, all connected later to our Variwatt. If you run the circuit, you will see that current is flowing in the circuit. It is normal. Our LED indicator is blinking also. The circuit is good. It is working normally. Our diode is in normal condition, but our switch is off. That means our LED array will not blink. Making the circuit connected, you see our LEDs are lightening when our switch is on. Our indicator LED is also blinking. Here comes the end of this video, the circuit simulation. Suspect the next video soon.
Stay safe, stay at home, and don't forget to like this video. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for commenting.